Good morning children. Today start the class for 5th standard maths term 2. Unit 1 you completed for geometry. Unit 2 numbers. Numbers you learn now. Square number. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 six are 36, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 9 nines are 81, 10 tens are 100. This concept used to do for the square number. Shall I move now? Factors. 2.2 factors and multiplies we will learn today. The numbers which can divide a number without leaving a remainder is called a factor. The number, here taken the number for 12. What are the tables is coming for the 12? 1 table is coming for 12, 2 table is coming for 12, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12 table. All the tables coming for 12. That's why this is called for the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are called for the factor. Okay children, you understand now? Here taken for number 18. 18 is coming for the 1 table. 1 18s are 18. Then 2 table for 2 9s are 18. Then 3 table 3 6 are 18. So here write the factors for 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors. Exercise number 2.2. Find the common factors. Common factors means what you do already you know for factors. Common factors. The factors that are common to two or more number called is common factor. Here given for the two numbers 12 and 18. So first you find out the factor. 12 factors for 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5, 6 table and 12 table. Then 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These two numbers taken out and write for factors. So these numbers possible for 1 table. These two numbers do for possible 1 table, 2 table, 3 table and 6 table. So this is saying a common factors. So common factor for 12 and 18 equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. These tables two coming for the 12 and 18. Okay, this is called for the common factor. Okay, ready children? Take your classwork. Write the definition. 2.2 factors and multiplies. The number which can divided a number without leaving a remainder is called its factor. Here taken for the example number 12. So 12 ones are 12, 6 twos are 12, 3 fours are 12, 4 threes are 12, 6 twos are 12, 12 ones are 12. So this is the possible for the number 12 taken for the factors. Okay children? Common factors. The factor that are common to two or more numbers is called common factors. The factors that are common to or two more numbers is called common factor. This is the exercise number 2.2. First sum. Find the common factors for. Number is given for 8 and 12. So first you do the factor of 8. So 8 is coming for 8 ones are 8, 2 fours are 8, 4 twos are 8, 1 eights are 8. Then 12 already you know 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12 table. So find out which one is a common. 1 table, 2 table, then 4 table. So this is the answer. The common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4 tables. The next one sum, second sum, 24 and 30. So first you write for the factor of 24. 24 ones are 24. 12 24s are. So 12 1 24s are 24. So write the number 1 and 24. This is the another way easy to find out the factors. The next one 2 12s are. So 2 table and 12 table also 24. The next one 3 8s are 24. So write the 3 table and 8 table. 4 6 are 24. So 4 table and 6 table. Easy to find out all the factors. Okay. The next one 30. 1 30s are 30. 2 15s are 30. 3 10s are 30. 5 6 are 30. So easy to find out the factors. Then find out for common factor. The common factor for 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 and 5 is each one only 1 times. So here 6 table. So write the answer 1 table, 2 table, 3 table and 6 table. This is the common factor. Third sum, number 20 and 30. Find the factor of 20. Ready to say the answer, children? 1 20s are 20. The next one, 2 table. Yes, 2 10s are 20. Then 3 table is coming for 20. No. 4 table. 4 5s are 20. Then 6 table is coming to possible. No. So 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 5, 10, 20 table. Then next one easy to find out now 30. 1 30s are. 2 15s are. 3 10s are. 4 table is coming for 30. No. 5 6 are. Then 6 5s are. That's all. Okay, easy to find out now factors. So 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 5 table, 6, 10, 15, 30. So which one is a common factor? Find out now. 1 table, 2 table, 4 table is not coming, 3 table is not coming, 5 table, 10 table, then 20 table is not possible. So write the answer now. 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the common factors. You understand the concept, children? This is the common factors. Already you know what are the tables that number coming for the product is 20 and 30. So you find out and write how many times. Then easy to find out both the number having two same tables. You write the common factor. The next one, exercise 2.3. Choose the best answer. First one question, read out now. The number divisible by 5 with no remainder. Here given the number 14, 535, 447, 316. So already you easy to find out 5 table is coming for only end the ones place 0 and 5. Yes children, you understand that? Look here children, 5 table 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. So all the number end with 0 or 5. So easy to find out now answer. Which one number having the 0 or 5? This one only having for 5. So this is the divisible by 5 table. No remainder. Remainder is 0. The next one. Pick the number which is not a multiply of 6. 6 table. Which one number is not coming? 18, 26, 72, 36. Here given for 6 table numbers. So first you find out 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, but is here 26. 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, yes. 6 sevens are 42s, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60, 6 elevens are 66, 6 12s are 72. So 6 fours are 24. Here given for 26. So this number only not coming for the 6 table. So pick the number which is not a multiplies of 6 table. So 26 is not coming for the 6 table. 18, 72, 36 is coming. Okay. Then third sum. The common multiply of 4 and 8 among the given number is. Common multiples. Here the multiples that are common to two number are they common multiples. Here taken for 9 and 12. This two number. So first you write for 9 table, then you write for 12 table. So commonly coming for the both the tables 36 and 72. So 36 and 72 is a common multiplies. Here asking for multiplies, common multiplies. But before that you learn for this is for common factor. Common factor means what are the tables is coming for these numbers. That's why I write for common factors. Here you do for common multiples. Common multiples means you write the table 9 table and 12 table. So here given the question for you. Third one question. The common multiple of 4 and 8 among the given numbers. So 4 table and 8 table. So 4 numbers is given here. 32, 84, 68, 76. So find out now. So 4 table 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 34. I write some examples. Then 8 table 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Which one is common? Eight is common multiplies. Eight is common multiplies. Then 16 is common multiply. Then 24 is common multiply. 32 is also common multiply. So here given the number 8, 16, 24 is not given here. Only given the number is 32. So 32 is a common multiply. So easy to find out the answer multiply of 32. 32 is coming for 4 table and 8 table. The next one, factor of 6. 6 table. Say now 6 table. Fourth one, factors of 6. So what are the numbers is coming for 6 table? 6 number product you get it for which one tables? 1 table is have for 6? Yes. 2 table have for 6? Yes. 3 table? Yes. 3 twos are 6. Then 6 tables also 6 ones are 6. So you write 1, 2, 3, 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. Which one? 1, 2, 3. Fifth one, multiplies of 9. Multiplies of 9 is, which number is coming for 9 table? Find out now. 79, 87, 29, 72. Which one number is coming for 9 table? This is for 9 table. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Here 79 is coming here. No, 72. 87 is coming here. 81. 29 is coming here. 27. But here 72. So 72 is coming for the 9 table. 9 8s are 72. So which one is the answer? 72 is the answer. Multiply of 9 is, 9 table is coming for the 72. The next one, Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. First one question, factors of 7. 7 number, which one table is coming for the product is 7? 7 ones are 7. 1 sevens are 7. So you write the tables for 1 table and 7 table. The next one, the only even prime number. Prime number, a natural number greater than 1, having only two factors, namely 1 and the other number. 1 and the number itself is called the prime factor. Prime factor is 2 is taken for 1 table and 2 table. 2 table only. 3, 1 table and 2 table. 5, 1 table and 5 table. That is saying for number 1 and itself. Number itself. That is called for prime factor. So 2 is here taken for 2 for only one number, even prime factor. The only even prime number is 2. Thank you, children. We will learn next class.